Hello, my beautiful children. How are you doing? I hope you're doing fine and had a lovely time enjoying all my rhymes with me. Are you enjoying it? And so am I. So I'm back with another rhyme, and that is about Humpty Dumpty. So welcome back to Learn Forward from Hi Kids Feather Cap, and our rhyme is Humpty Dumpty. Let's start. Okay, first I will sing the rhyme and you will all sing with me and then I will explain you the rhyme. Okay. Humpty Dumpty sat on a wall. Humpty Dumpty had a great fall. All the king's horses and all the king's men couldn't put Humpty together again. Okay, so what happened here is, this is Humpty Dumpty. Who is he? Humpty Dumpty. And he was sitting on this wall. He was sitting on this wall. And then what happened? He fell down. See, like this. He had a great fall. Then all the king's horses, these all the horses of kings. And these are king's men. Okay. But they all couldn't put Humpty together again. उन्होंने बहुत ट्राई किया, सबने हेल्प की, but they couldn't put Humpty together again. Okay? So, now I will sing the rhyme one more time and you all will sing with me. And that's the way you will learn the rhyme. Let's start. Humpty Dumpty sat on a wall. Humpty Dumpty had a great fall. All the king's horses and all the king's men couldn't put Humpty together again. Very good. Clap for yourselves, everyone. Well done. Good job. Now you will all learn this rhyme and practice it with your mama. And I will see you in the next rhyme. So, till then, happy learning everyone. Bye-bye. Take care.